In the previous video, we uploaded a standard Moodle assignment. In this one, we will look at how to upload a Turnitin assignment in Moodle. Turnitin assignments make use of a service by the Turnitin company, which compares the work that you submit with other material stored on its database to check if any of it matches. The service returns a Similarity Report, which highlights any part of your work which match other submissions stored on the database or other sources such as the internet, books and journal articles. Here's an example of a Similarity Report, which we'll discuss in the next video. The idea here is that if you have used material from other sources, this material must be referenced correctly. Otherwise, it may be considered as plagiarism. So here is our module page, and on it we can see an activity called Essay Assignment. The icon to the left is the Turnitin icon. So this is a Turnitin assignment as distinct from the standard Moodle assignment. And as usual, we click on it. Once we reach the submission page, we can see two tabs. The first is the Summary tab, where we can see details of the assignment, its title, possibly some instructions, the start date and the due date. To submit the assignment, we click on the My Submissions tab. Here we see that we haven't submitted anything yet. So first of all, we give our submission a title. So I'll give it the title Essay Assignment. Now, to submit the assignment, we need to drag it and drop it into the file submission rectangle. So we'll locate the file now by clicking on the Windows folder at the bottom of your screen. And my file is in here, and I'll click on it with the left mouse button and drag a copy of it down as far as the dotted rectangle and drop it there. You'll notice below the file submission rectangle, you are asked to confirm that this is your own work. So we need to ensure that the checkbox here is ticked. And then we click on Add Submission. Now, it may take a little time for the submission to be added. Two things may happen. There may be some delay with Moodle, and also then you may see that the submission is being processed by Turnitin so that it can do the comparison. When this is finished, we'll be able to see the status of the assignment, and we can now see that it has been submitted and the time at which it was submitted. And depending on the way your teacher has set up the assignment, it may be possible to make changes to your assignment and resubmit right up until the deadline. This space down here will allow you to do this, and you simply submit just as we did earlier. For the moment, we can see that the Similarity Report that we spoke about earlier is pending because Turnitin is processing your assignment and checking for similarity. We look at this report in more detail in the next tutorial. So the important thing at this point is that your assignment has been submitted. And at any point, if you want to check the current status to see if the Similarity Report is available, you can click on Refresh Submissions. The length of time taken to generate the Similarity Report can vary from a few seconds to a few hours, depending on the level of submissions to Turnitin. So the assignment is submitted now, and we'll simply return to the module page and continue as usual. So in the next video, we look at the Similarity Report returned by Turnitin.